get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Lovely jobblies, how are we all doing? Hope we're all good, hope we're all healthy and enjoying life. Let's just turn the lights up a little bit. There you go, it's a bit brighter in it. Just settling into this lovely camp here. I'm not far from Portree. I might pop into Portree actually tomorrow, because I've got to get to CVUK, the north of the island, to get the ferry. Anyway, just getting a bit of supper, rocking and rolling. All I've done, I've got some jars of, I've got various jars in the van that you can use anytime. Some jars of some lovely curry sauce. I've just threw some chicken I had, some cooked chicken. I've diced all that up, put some veggies in, peas, corn, a few peppers as well into the sauce. Got all that boiling away. Got myself some rice. I see rice and tinned and bottled stuff is ideal in a van, because you don't have to worry about you know, the temperatures. It's just stores in your cupboard, dry goods kind of thing. So it's all useful in the van. Anyway, I got all my pots rocking and rolling here. It took about 20 minutes to do this. And I'm going to get all this out the pans now, and we're going to have a nice chicken curry. A homemade Country Van Life Vanlifeuk chicken curry. Let's just get it out. Put those pans there. I'll get the pans soaked in water. I always like to soak all my pans in water, makes it easy to clean. Plus I use tissues most of the time for cleaning, which is nice and handy. Anyway, there's my lovely chicken curry. It was a korma sauce in a jar. Nice and simple. A few raisins in there as well. I love raisins in my curry. Anyway, just show you me Vanlifeuk. It's no good licking your lips, Skye. You can't have curry, Pep. Come on, you can't have curry. You'll be crapping all over the van all night. So Daddy will be probably. Anyway, here's me tucker. There we go, a nice homemade chicken korma curry and some nice rice. Lovely jubbly. I'll have a bit of crusty bread with that as well. And I just mind to fall over a can of Guinness as well. Lovely. Let's give this a taste. I do like making curries. It's, I end up putting all sorts of weird things in them. Pineapple, bloody currants and raisins and all. Bits of fruit as well. I like fruit in curries. I don't like them too spicy though. I can't have a spicy curry. That upset me tum too much. Anyway, give this a go. It looks absolutely bloody yummy. There we go. Can't beat rice as well. It's some nice chunks of chicken in there. It's a chicken breast, a cooked chicken breast that I had. I just sliced it up. Lovely. Oh, lovely. Nice and hot on a chilly night. What more could you want in your van? Nice and tucked up in the warm. Winters are coming. Oh, that's delicious. Winters are coming. And a nice curry sauce. Soon be time for my stew and dumplings as well. I do love my stew and dumplings. It's not the healthiest of the food, I know, but you need to keep warm. You need to keep nourished. Loving it. Right, my lovelies, we're going to have a quick walk around. Well, it's a nice day. I think there's some messy weather coming in and the temperatures are going to drop as well, dramatically. Here's Christine there on the pier. Lovely. We'll have a little walk down to the village. I've done many videos here 4 years ago. The beautiful Skye Bridge over there. We're just going to have a quick squint. I might grab a cup of coffee while I'm here. Lovely. So it's crack on. It's me lovely Christine there. She's got her without a hitch from the Suffolk south coast of England. We've still got 50 miles to CVUK for the ferry. Then it's a 2-hour crossing to the Weston Isles. Right, let's crack on. Beautiful. Lovely cola cane on the pier with all the lovely boats. Lovely. It's a bit breezy. I've got my mic rocking and rolling, so hopefully it should be alright. Skye having the smell of the fishing nets. Lovely little harbour this is. Little quiet. Well sheltered harbour. Oh, look at this dog. Carved on the bench. How amazing is that, eh? Full-size dog carved into a wooden bench. Hey, bonkers. Golden Labrador, golden retriever, Labrador. How amazing. Oh, it's good to the village. Lovely mountains surrounded, cola cane, little harbour. We've got the lovely bronze otter. I've done this clip before, looking at the castle. Lovely, eh? I'll take a photo of that. Christine's just up there on the pier. This used to be a visitor centre, but now it's a laundrette. That's quite useful. We're just coming into the village now, and it's one thing you notice, folks, when you come to Scotland, especially the Highlands, the Upper Islands. It's so clean. There's no rubbish. There's no litter. Nobody's shouting. Nobody's screaming. No boy racers. No noise. It's just peaceful, serene and quiet. Here's the local shop here. A little bit of a restaurant as well. There's a gift shop. Been in there a few times 4 years ago. Lovely jubbly. Oh, it used to be a grocery shop. Oh dear. It is no longer a grocery shop. It's a gift shop now. That used to be a grocery store. You get all your shopping from. So there's nowhere to get shopping now. Unless you go a couple of miles up the road. That's a shame. Hello, Mrs. Mangle. That's an old one. Oh, that's a shame. No grocery shop. We've got the pub here at least. The pub's still here. There is another pub there. On the left hand side. I've had a few jars in there in the past, I can tell you. I think me, Tony and Claire got a bit tipsy in there 4 years ago. Here's the other pub here. The King Hakon. They do food as well. Overlooking Skye Bridge. Lovely job there. How beautiful is that, eh? So there's not a grocery shop here no more. Well, that is a shame. It's only a small grocery shop, but you could get your milk and your bread and bits of dinner there. There's another restaurant, pub over the side there. 2 pubs, and that's about it now. And the laundress. Lovely job there. Castle Mile restaurant and gift shop it's called now. It's no longer a grocery shop. Blah. Boo. The pier's down there. We've just come from the Hakon pub. You've got the other pub here. That's a lovely pub. I've got sauce in there with Mary a few times 4 years ago. Saucy Mary. And there's another pub here up towards the bridge, and that's about it in the village. Here we are on the village green. The lovely evening sunshine casting its shadows from the mountains and the houses. It's like a scout kind of climbing centre there. There's a little cafe there. I don't think it's open this time of year, I'm not sure. Got a little parish community hall. It's beautiful though. It's a bit chilly though. That wind is getting a bit cold. Winters are coming. We're coming to the end of autumn. It's coming well into winter, I think, soon. Anyway, we'll have a little walk up to the close to the bridge, the magnificent Skye Bridge. All walking along here, I can smell lingering in the air the smell of the peat fires are burning. They do like the peat fires in Scotland. Oh, look at that village glistening down there in the sunshine behind me. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. Right, we'll just have a stroll up here. My belly's rumbling, so I'm hungry. So we'll get back to the van and have some supper. But I'll just have a wee walk up here. I like to have at least an hour's walk of an evening. Or walking all through the day most of the time. There's a fishing trawler coming in there with today's catch. Lovely. Oh, a little bit of a mooch down here. Get a little bit close to the bridge. It is a magnificent structure, that bridge is. It's a boat going under the bridge. The fisherman boat coming in from his daily catch. You've got the lighthouse there. And the bridge goes to an island there. You've got the causeway there from the mainland. And you've got that island in the middle. Now, I talked about this island in my previous video 4 years ago. A chap, I can't remember now, well, he owned the island and he turned it into a otter sanctuary. And apparently there's lots of otters that live around there now. I don't think the chap still owns it, but if you just Google it, the island on Skye, otter sanctuary. Beautiful, eh? Skye Bridge in the evening, setting sun, and Skye down there, that she's named after. Lovely. This little hideaway beach hut here, where you can sit with your picnic or whatever, and have a chill out. Just trying to spot some otters or whatever. That's nice little wooden bench thing there, somewhere to rest your weary soul. A couple of memorials on there, little teddy bear in the corner. You've got that lovely view of Skye Bridge while you're having your little break and your little flask or whatever. Nice. There is the Skye Bridge. Not going any further today. Lovely. There's the Otter Island leading to the causeway to mainland. And over there, mainland Scotland, and over here is the Isle of Skye. Collar cane. I think we'll get back. It's time for supper. We're nearly back at Christine. She's up there on the pier, looking at the castle mile. Then in Carleakin, and the boatyard. A nice big walk around Carleakin. What you can see around here, all the lovely boats, the memorial, which is behind me on top of the hill, the cottages by the side of the harbour, all the boats, the otters, the eagles, and Skye Bridge and Castle Mile. Lovely. Right, let's get back. Oh, back in Christine. The Skye's got her nose straight into her dinner dish, what she didn't finish earlier. Right, we'll set in for the evening. Oh, I might have early night tonight because I am absolutely bloody knackered. I might put the heating on as well because it's bloody cold. We're inside the van. 11 degrees, not too bad, but it's getting colder as soon as that sun drops. And it gets dark, it'll be even colder. Get the kettle on, nice cup of Yorkshire. Kettle's on, mother. And we'll settle in for the evening. Have a nice rest day tomorrow, I think. I don't think it's going to be sunny tomorrow. But lovely, have a nice rest day. Just looking out that window, trying to find some otters and some dolphins and seals. Oh, could do a bit of fishing as well. I had some fish here last time I fished 4 years ago. Some pollock. Nice. Skye's having a munch down there. Oh, it's nice and cosy in Christine. I always love to get back to Christine. Even though I'm out of the van 90% of the time, even in the coldest of weathers, it's lovely to get back to Christine and cozy up. And my lovely cosy bed. Oh, I love my bed in Christine. I've got all faux fur blankets. Oh, it's so cosy. Snug as a bug in a rug, honestly. Plus I've got my electric blanket as well when the weather gets colder. Lovely. Oh, so nice to be back in Scotland. I love Scotland. Right. Bloody skies. Right, let's get Christine. I've checked all around Christine, checked all my waters as usual. We're getting Christine, hey,
and we'll rock
we're ready
out.
to go. Are we ready to go? Aye, of course you're ready to go. Look at this sunshine, how gorgeous. Here's Skye Bridge. Right, we've got to Broadford first. I need to get a couple of supplies, some milk and some eggs and whatever, because they all smashed in the van. So we're trapping at Broadford Co-op. There is a camp up there as well, but we'll head down the left-hand turning past Broadford, down to Algol and the beautiful valley of the Blue Mountains, and we'll show that drive down. Lovely. Here we are at Broadford. Lovely jubbly. Get a bit of shopping. Sort a few things out. Lovely Broadford. Right, my lovelies, we've done all the shopping at the Co-op, a few essentials, that's all. Right, we're going to crack on to Algol now. Enjoy this beautiful ride. Lovely. My Valhalla camp on the Isle of Skye. My Nirvana. Got a cafe there to the left. As we roll down into the valley. I've had some wonderful camps down here. It is a very, very special place in my heart.